In SOLIDWORKS Composer, performance can be improved when working with large assemblies through careful use of the assembly selection mode. Currently, I have assembly selection mode turned off, and if I perform a transformation on a subassembly within this project, let's translate this component a little bit here. Now if I go to author and I create some associative paths from neutral, we see that a path is saved for each component within that subassembly. That, in this case, is not that big of a deal, but in a larger assembly set, that would turn out to be a lot of data saved and that might not need to be. If I redo this with the assembly selection mode on, by turning on assembly selection mode here, we can select that same subassembly and transform it by a little bit. And now when we create our associative paths, we see that only one is created. In a larger data set, this would be a significant amount of data saved and could greatly improve your performance.